Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you how to create branded flatlays for your Instagram. This is something that I was going to do for my business already this week, so I thought I would take you behind the scenes and show you how I do it. Right now, all of my photos that I have ready to post are of me, and I do not want an entire feed of just photos of me. So instead, I break it up and I use these branded flatlays, which are still recognizable to my brand. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do in today's video. If you're new here, my name's Louise of SolopreneurSidekick.com. I put out new videos every single week to help you grow your online business. So if that's something that you're looking to do, make sure that you hit subscribe. And the bell. Don't forget the bell. All right, so step one is to hit up your local store and go shopping. It's a pretty fun step, really. So go somewhere where you can find items that are related to whatever it is you do in your business. So for example, my business is all about tech and entrepreneurship. So a store that sells stationery products is going to be perfect for me. So let me show you the products that I went out and got.
All right guys, so maybe you won't even need to go shopping. Maybe you have a bunch of this stuff already around your house, which is great. I did have to go shopping, so I bought this cute notebook which matches my brand colors, and then I bought these pens. Check these out, I love what they say on them. So we have "Today is a good day," "Great idea," and then this is something I had around the house, so I have stickers of my logo. This I recently got in the mail. That's one of the slogans from ConvertKit, now Seva, which I really like, and what I'm trying to do on this channel. So I could make use of that quote. Then I got some more notebooks, all about the notebooks. I bought these, which I'm actually gonna put on the wall behind me. Then I had some quotes. These I put on my wall, but I actually had some extras, so I'm going to take photos of that. And then you can add little details in, like little plants. Check out my little pot. Wait, where's the saying? Okay. There it is. This little pot could come in handy as well. So that's all you gotta do. Grab a few different things. So grab a variety of products that you can use in these photos.
Next, you need to come up with a background that you can shoot on.
So the first thing that I did for my background was I went shopping and I bought this. So this is actually just a marble background paper. And this way I can fake that I have nice marble in my house. All right, so when you roll it out, it's just going to look like this, which is going to look really nice, I think. So that was option one. Option two, I actually just went and bought a piece of wood like this and then painted it white.
And finally, it's time to take the photos.
So it's really experimentation at first. So just grab a few of the items and place them down, see how it looks. So you're just going to want it to be more relaxed looking. So don't, line everything up too perfectly or it won't look natural. So it can be a bit more relaxed, and then just start adding some different elements to the photo. And also keep in mind that you can crop in. So even if you're seeing it full and it doesn't look good, it might look good once you actually zoom in. And I did want to mention lighting. This can be the most difficult part. If you can get near a window and use natural light, then that is fantastic, and then you won't have to worry so much about shadows or anything like that. So that's what I'll probably do this afternoon. But let me continue for example purposes. So this is pretty cute like that. And then maybe I need to add in my plant. That, space things out a bit. All right, and I'm going to take a photo of that. So have fun with this and keep experimenting, trying all sorts of different ideas until you land on something that you really like.
And finally, you need to edit your photos. Side note, if you guys do not have one of these on your phone, I would definitely get one. It is so convenient. It's called a pop socket, and basically it flattens down to your phone like this, but you can pull it out, and it just makes holding your phone a million times more comfortable. And you don't have to worry about dropping it. I was going through this phase where I was like in bed on my phone and I would drop it on my face. Okay, too much of a side note. My friend Reese of Yes Supply got me this one, and I really love it. It says create over consume, and that's what I'm trying to do.
All right, so here is the photo that we just took, and I'm pretty happy with it. So now I'm going to bring it into Instagram. And here is where I will edit the photo. So I'm first going to make use of the filters. I actually really like this first one, so I'm going to add that in. You can adjust the amount of the filter you have applied, so probably around there. And then I'm going to click on edit, and I have a few more options, so I can increase the contrast a bit. I can increase the structure as well. As you can see, it looks pretty pro now. So I'm going to click done, and that's something that I could go ahead and post on Instagram.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you liked it and that you're excited to take your own branded Flatlays. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Solopreneur Sidekick and tag me in any photos that you take. I would love to see them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon with another video.